Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone and welcome to Oliveboard. And I hope I'm audible as well as visible to everybody. So first of all, a little disclaimer: I'm a little down health-wise, but again, today what we'll do first? Let's move on there. So we are going to do the CGL, the exact paper that was asked in Tier 2, 18 January 2025. So as we all know, the last year, the CGL Tier 2, this is actually 2024, but the exam happened on the January of 2025. So it happened in two shifts. So this is the first shift, you can say. This is the first shift. So this week we'll do the first shift. It most probably will take us two classes, this one and tomorrow's session as well. And again, the next week we'll do the next shift. So with that being said, let's start. But again, before that, we all know the CGL Tier 1, the score calculator, the answer keys has come out. So I'm hoping you all have gone through the answer keys and you already know how much marks you guys are getting. So based on that, so we have launched a new feature. So this is the Tier 1 rank predictor. So the links are to this, you can see the links from here. You can copy the link from here, or you will get the link in the description section of this particular class as well. So here all you need to do is just paste your answer key link and just go for analyze. So it will give you overview of this. So you will get live rank, live percentile. So you will get expected tier. So everything, every analysis you will get. So and you can download this as PDF, and there is a feature to compare it with your fellow friends as well. So this is a new feature that we have launched, so that you can compare your marks as well as where you stand, how much chance you have to clear the cutoff. So that's one thing I wanted to kind of notify you guys about. Now, with that being said, let's move on to our session for today. So we'll start with the exact question paper. First question of the day will definitely be this. So this is the order is also exactly whatever was the order in the actual exam. So first question right in front of you guys. So please try and solve this. Please try and solve this. Everybody, please try and solve this as soon as possible. First question right in front of you guys. First question right in front of ABC, triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle with center O. Okay. So let's see. So this is now. Before you do anything, before I draw this triangle, you see, if you look at the sides given, AB given, BC given, and AC given. So you'll say, sir, 20, 21, and 29. If you don't know, sir, this is a triplet, sir, Pythagorean triplets. This form a triplet. If you want to check, so square of 20 is 400, square of this is 441, which gives you 841, which is nothing but square of 29, sir. So again, this is a triplet. So meaning, what does it mean? That means this is a right angle triangle, sir. This is a right angle triangle. So ultimately, what does it mean? What does it mean, sir? It simply means just a second. It will look something like this. It will look something like this, sir. Right? It will look something like this. And in case of any right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is always what? This is always the diameter of the circumcircle. Now they are asking circumradius, sir. Now this hypotenuse, we all know the highest side, that is 29 centimeter. So again, from here, you'll say circumradius means this side, sir. This much, this is half of 29. So 29 by 2, which is 14.5 centimeters, sir, which is there in option number 4. That's your answer. So it's a very simple thing if you know. So first, you need to look at this. If you can figure this out in one go, this is a very simple question to answer. Perfect, sir. Moving on, sir. A circular race question, circular track question. Again, I'll give you 30, 40 seconds. Chalo, 40 seconds should be enough. You should not need more than 40 seconds, honestly. 40 seconds is also too long. Sir, chalo sir, jaldi se, everyone. Circular track, how to deal with this? How to deal with this, sir? Everybody, please tell me the answer. Please tell me the answer, sir. What is the answer to this question? What is the answer? What is going to be the answer to this circular track question? Answers, answers, answers. Sir, you can draw the figure and stuff, but again, please understand, I told you, after how much time they will meet again for the first time, meaning this is the concept of meeting at any point, sir. So I told you meeting can happen in two situations. One, the meeting can only happen at the point of where they have started, the starting point, or meeting can happen at any point. So this is the second situation they are talking about, and this is actually easier. Why? So you can say total track length is 2200 meters, sir, and they are moving in the opposite direction. So in this case, if you are talking about any point, then relative velocity you need to take or relative speed you need to take. So relative speed is 20 and 16 opposite direction means 20 plus 16. Now you might say this is the answer, sir. But again, please understand, this is in meter, but these two are in kilometer per hour. So I have to convert this into meter per second. So meter per second means 5 by 18 se multiplication. 36, 18, so 2. So ultimately this is 10, sir. 10 means gone. So it will take them 220 seconds. Just figure out 220 means 3 minutes. That is 180 seconds, 40 seconds remaining, sir. That's your answer. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Option number 1, sir. Again, very simple, 10 seconder. You should not take more than 10 seconds, you see. Again, for that, you have to have a very clear-cut concept of circular track. Clear-cut concept of circular track, sir. Chalo, next one, sir. Another question of geometry. Another question of geometry. Chalo, isme I'm giving you geometry hai to 1 minute. I'm giving you a minute. I'm giving you a minute. Please solve. Please solve, everyone. Please solve this. Solve this, please. Excuse me. Answers, answers, answers. Need answers. Again, this PYQs you must solve. You must solve these PYQs. Time is up. Any answers? Any answers, sir? Bhavnesh is saying 96. Okay, perfect, brother. Let's see, brother. 96. I've got one answer from Bhavnesh. Let's see. Sir, in a triangle HGK, HJ is HK, meaning they are talking about an isosceles triangle. Chalo, theek hai. Like this. So HJ K. So this side is equal to this side, okay? G is a point on HJ such that HG is equal to GK. HG equal to GK is equal to JK. Okay, sir. So they are asking us to find a point like this. HG must be this. So this is G, sir. This is G, I'm just saying. Okay, this is G. So what is common, sir? HG is equal to GK is equal to JK. These are all equal. Now they are asking the degree measure of 2/3 of 8GK plus GKJ. HGK means this angle, and GKJ means this angle, sir. They're asking what will be the, first you figure out sum and then do 2 by 3. Then you do 2 by 3. That's all. Chalo, sir, let's figure out. Let us figure that out. Sir, first things first, whatever is this angle, if this is x, then this is also x. Please understand this. Why? Because you see, AG is equal to GK. So these two angles must be equal. Because sides are equal, opposite angles must also be equal. So this angle must be 180 degree minus 2x. Perfect, sir. Again. This angle must be equal to this angle plus this angle. But again, please understand, let's understand this. Sir, again, this side and this side, GK and JK is equal, sir. That means this is, if I take y, then this is also y. This is y means this is also y. Okay. So I'm getting two equations. I'm like kind of doing it in terms of equations. Kaise? Acha. First things first. So what I'm getting, so this is, एक second. Yeah. So this side, y, and I don't know this, but some I know. So this angle, acha, let's figure out this angle. So angle this and this is equal to this. So this angle must be 180 degree minus 2x. This is the sum minus y, sir. This is the angle GKJ. GKJ is this. Now please understand, if you do plus x to this, then I'm getting this whole angle, sir. Why? Because this angle plus this is x. So you are getting HKJ, and HKJ should be equal to HJK. That means this should be equal to HJK is y, sir. So from there I'll get one equation. So this is 280, 2x minus x is minus x. So 180 degree. So this y will go that side, it will become 2y, and this x will go that side, it will become x. So x plus 2y I understood. Some issue I'm getting with the software. अच्छा, एक तो हो गया sir. Then the other, HGK and JKJ, right? Just a second. गड़बड़ हो गया, देखो. I lost track. This was y, this was y, this was. Achha, another thing that we can do, this side, this angle was 180 degree minus 2y, sir. Again, this angle I'm talking about, GKJ, 180 degree minus 2y. That is equal to, sir, 180 degree minus 2y from this triangle. That must be equal to, just a second. इधर मैंने गलत कर दिया क्या? Just a second. 180 degree minus 2x minus y. 180 minus 2y equal to 180 degree minus 2x minus y. Just a second, give me. So from there I'm getting 2x is equal to, sir, y. Acha, I'm getting another equation from here. Just put the value. Just put the value, sir. I'm just explaining. Just give me a second. Y is 4. This is y equal to 4x. So 5x is equal to 180. अरे ये क्या हो रहा है पता नहीं. X is 36 degrees, sir. X is 36, so y is 72. So they are asking the value of HGK, that is this angle, 180 degree minus 72 degree, that is 108 degrees, plus GKJ, that is y, 180 plus. No, sir, something I'm doing wrong. I'm doing something wrong. Ruko. I somehow lost track of it. Something is not right. Let me just do it, redo it. Somewhere I like kind of written something wrong, and this is giving me trouble. Whatever I'm writing, it is going away, no? This happens whenever I give the timer. एक second रुक जाओ. Yes, now it should be fine. Sir, this is H, J, K, and this is G, sir, right? They have told us HG is equal to GK is equal to JK. These three are equal. And also it is given HJ equal to HK, meaning sir these two are, so that means these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal to each other. These two angles are equal to each other. ठीक है? Now, again, let's start from there. So if I say this is X, so this is the total is also X. चलो ठीक है. Now again from here, from this top triangle HGK, I can say if this is Y, sir, then this is also Y, and this is equal to 180 degree minus 2Y, sir. Perfect, makes sense. And again from this particular triangle, sir, from this particular triangle, from here I can say if this is 180 degree minus 2y, this must be 2y. Pata nahi why I was not using this earlier, because total is 180 degree. You see HGJ, this is 180 degree, so this is 180 minus 2y. That means it must be 2y, sir. Or you can say, sir, this is in external angle, these two are 2y, so from there also you can say this is 2y. Now again, if this is 2y, sir, as these two are equal, then this must also, this x must also be 2y. And if this is 2y, then this total, this like green angle must be 2y. But again, this is y means this is also y. This is y means this is also y, sir. Now it's very simple, because you see, take the whole triangle. Y here, 2y here, and this is 2y here. So 5y comes out to be 180 degree. So from there, y comes out to be, again same problem, 36 degree, right? तो उधर से अभी every value I'll get. 8gk is how much? 8gk is 180 degree minus 2y, right? And gkj is how much? Gkj is y only, sir. So ultimately I'm getting 180 degree minus y. Y is equal to how much? 180 degree minus 36 degree. Now they are asking this is how much? 36 meaning 41, 44 degree. Now they are not asking this value. They are asking 2/3 of this value. So they are asking 2/3 of this. I was kind of, वो बीच में वो कट गया ना. 3 4s are this, 3 8s are this. 48 into 2 is 96 degree. पता नहीं what I was doing in this particular case. Simple question था. I was wasting so much time. Extremely sorry. So in between, I just lost track of what I was doing. ठीक है? You see, that is why focus is important. Like I lost focus in between while solving the question. Clear, sir, everyone? Moving on, sir. Next one. Next one. But before I do na, again let me just do, because again the problem is there. This something is wrong with the software. Something is wrong with the software. Chalo, please do, sir. Please do this, everyone. Please do, everybody. So I'm not giving the timer, so this problem is occurring whenever I'm giving the timer. So please do. Anyone, sir? Any answers? Any answers? Any answers? Any answers, sir? Any answers? I got one answer from Create Imagination. Brother, I don't know. Brother or sister, I don't know your name. Please tell me the name. Please tell me your name. It's a very creative name, that I must say. I must say that's a very creative name. But again, please tell me your name as well. Please tell me your name. Please tell me your name. बताओ सर. चलो चलो चलो. MS बिश्त. अच्छा. बिस्त. Okay. M MS Bisht, right? I hope I'm taking your name correctly. Acha, please, like there will be some disturbances as in Bengal, na there is Kali Puja thing. It's around Diwali we celebrate. So some लोग बम फोड़ रहे हैं. ठीक है, अभी से start हो गया. So चलो. So there will be a little sound. Acha, simple interest 2,000 rupees, 6.5% per annum. But again, it's all about figuring out or finding out the number of days. Sir, 2023 is a non-leap year. So 14th February to 28th February. So February mein how many days? It will be 14 days. Right? March mein, sir, we will have 31 days. And sir, April mein, till how many? 28th of April. So 28 days. So total 8, 4, 12, 13, 1, 3, 3, 6, 73 days. Sir. So we will get the interest for 73 days. Done? Done, sir. Sai, good evening. Okay. So you it seems like you are Bengali. You are also Bengali. Chalo badhiya. Now that means you will get 2,000 rupees. Now 6.5% interest is for the whole year. So for 73 days means how many years? 73 divided by 365 years. And you will get 6.5%, meaning 6.5 by 100. So this is the amount that you will get. Sir, calculate. 1 0 gone for this. Now you can calculate 5 13s are this, 5 sevens are this, and 5 third, like this is this. So this is gone. So you'll get 26. So option number 3, 26 is the correct answer. Option number 3. Acha, okay. Perfect, perfect. Raj, yes, 26 is the correct answer. Very good, brothers. So again, we are done with this. Next one, sir. Next one. Population question, sir. Percentage ka. Chalo, let's start. Acha. Again, I'm taking a chance and giving you a timer again because the problem starts with giving the timer. Chalo, everyone, please answer. Please answer, sir. Please answer. Somebody is like, हम तो आज बम फोड़ेंगे कुछ भी हो जाए. So a little calculative question. This is a little calculative question. Anybody? Anyone? Acha, I think you'll need 30 more seconds. It's okay. I'm willing to give you 30 more seconds. Chalo. It's a little calculative. Chalo, 40 dete. Do this, do this. But again, I need answers. I will need answers. I will need answers from you guys. That's the only thing. That's the only thing. टेक योर टाइम. Need answers. चलो सर. Any answers? Any answers? Still no answers. चलो then मैं ही करता हूँ. I've given you over 2 minutes for this. Sir देखो, understand sir. 2018 का data is given. Same problem फिर से. Just a second. अच्छा. 2018 का data is given to you. 50,000 increased to 50,000 from 16 to 18 at the rate of 6% and continued with the same trend for the next 3 years. A is the population in 2016 and B is the population in 2020. Sir. Please understand. 2016, from there, 2018, from there, we got to 2020. Now, what they have done, they have given us the population for 2018, that is 50,000. Perfect. Now, this is 6% per annum, sir. The rate of increment, 6% per annum. Now they are asking population in if A is the, so this is A, this is B. Now they are asking what will be the value of B minus A. Sir, first things first, let's figure out B. Sir, B will be what? Sir, 6% two times. Either you can go by the compound interest formula or you can say, no, sir, I'll go with like AB theorem. 6 plus 6 plus 6 into, that is 36. 6 into 6 by 100. So it will be 12.36% increment on 50,000. So 50,000 ka this much percentage will be how much? 50,000 into, so 12.36 by 100. Double zero gone, double zero, and this will gone. So 1236 into 5 means into 2 you do, by 2 you do. So this is 618, 618 and a 0. So this much increment. So B will become, sir, 56,180. This is the value for B. Correct, sir? Now I need to go for A. I need to figure out A. MS is saying multiple of 3 and 4. हाँ वो उसमें जाएंगे brother, उसमें जाएंगे brother. ठीक है? But there is a strong chance as this is tier 2 ना, so you will. So देखो like multiple of 4, this all three apart from this. And multiple of 3 also, I guess you will get many. Not the first one. 4, 3, 7. अच्छा 3, 5, 8 नहीं sir. Multiple of 3 तो नहीं आ रहा. Multiple of 3 तो नहीं आ रहा है. Best, you have to check once. You have to check once, brother. Now, let's come back to 2016. कैसे आएगा sir? How can we calculate 2016? So 2016 का I don't know. Say let's say A. So A into, sir, 12, so 6% per annum meaning 12.36%. So this will be 112.36%. That will become, sir, 50,000. So that means what will be the value of it? This calculation will be a little trickier. So this means by 100 if you get rid of the percentage sign. So meaning into 100 divided by, sir, 112.36. This calculation will be a lot trickier than expected. यही होगा सर गड़बड़ वाला. यही होगा सर गड़बड़ वाला. But again, we don't have anything to do. We have to do it. चलो 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 125 सर 500 00. 4 से करेंगे तो, but there is no better method. और कोई better method नहीं है सर. Don't think so. 50,000 so we can go, but again that will not give you better like kuch value. 50, yeah, increase to yes, Bistu, that is what I'm saying. 2018 is after 2 years. You see, 2018 to 2020 was very easy to do. Why? Because it's simple increment you can calculate. But the problem is going like backtracking. Then it is conceptually not a problematic thing. But calculation wise, it will be a little like typical. And and if your question is why I did 12.1 like 36 na, why I did this, because I whatever I found I just added, because ultimately it will be 112.36, but again calculating that is difficult, much more difficult than this. So I did this and just added 50,000 into 6,180. That is why I've written 56,180. Perfect. What is, just a second, what you are saying? Population of, Ajab, you deleted the comment. I was about to read it. I was reading it actually. ठीक है? This much clear? This much clear? अब ये calculation थोड़ा गड़बड़ होगा sir. We can use a little like imagination, that's all. We can use, but again the options are so close ना, वही तो गड़बड़ होगा sir. That will create all the problem. चलो let's do whatever we can do. Sir, 4 से if we do, sir, 4 2s are 8, 32, 4 2s are 8, 4 8 are 20, 32. So this is 9. Achha, let's do one thing then. Let's do one thing. So we are having this calculation 125 divided by 2809 into, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are two zeros here. Bapre. So this calculation we must do. Now again, I have taught you one great technique of doing this. If you have done my classes, sir, approximation का एक technique मैंने सिखाया था, especially for patients like this. 125 by 2809 into, sorry, 2809 था ना, into, there was something 336 zeros. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sir, take this to the nearest multiple of, let's say, 100. So this is 2800, meaning I'm doing what? I'm subtracting 9 from the denominator. So I need to subtract something from the numerator as well. What I'll subtract? I'll subtract the, like, according to the ratio. This is 120 by 20, like this is almost 120 by 2800 rough ratio. So this is 40, say, like 4 second or 3. 4 6 are 70. 3 by 70. 3 by 70. 70 means this is 9, so almost I'll subtract 1 from here. So I'm just writing 124 into this. So double zero gone from here and calculates. 4 sevens are this, 431s are this. So this is 4.5 almost. So ultimately we are getting 45,000 almost. So ultimately this is around what I'm getting as A. A के आसपास आ रहा है sir. So that means B minus A, if I do, it will be 56. So again, so like just to give you an idea, this is 6,180 more, and this is 5,000 less. So if you calculate na, 11,180 के आसपास आंसर आएगा. Sir, 11,600 के आसपास there is only one answer. So I'll go with this option. I will go definitely go with this option, sir. Again, look at the calculation and how did I do it. But again, it is definitely a big calculation. It is definitely a big calculation. And again, if 45,000 is not exactly the proper value. The proper value, if you ask, it will be what? It will definitely be, sir, 44,500 ke aaspas, because now I know the answer. So we had an error of 500 almost. But again, always understand this method always minimizes the error. But again, here I have approximated a lot. So the less you approximate here, taking the, like when like doing this rough ratio thing, the accurate will be the answer. Okay, now chalo sir, let's move on to the next questions. Sir, this question is incomplete. Okay, ये कल कर देंगे then. I'll make sure कि ये complete हुआ है. Some error in the copying. Some error in the copying. Sir, this is the next one, sir. This is the next one, sir. Please do. Everyone, please do. Everybody, please do. And let me just check. Yes, this is the question. This is the question, sir. Please do. This is 7th number question. No? Chalo, sir. Answer, sir. Answer. You will say this is a simple linear equation question. But again, you see the number of variables is the problem. The number of variables is the problem, sir. It is not 2, it is not 1, but it is 3. Sir, उधर ही हमको time लगेगा. That way, that is the root cause where will like that will get us slow down. That will get us to slow down. Which the answers, the question is not actually like printed wholly, so that's why I did like kind of I avoided that. So we'll do it tomorrow. Don't worry. Focus on that. Focus on this. Now again, if in this question they had asked for all x, y, z, the values for all three, then sir we would have taken these values and put the values back in the equation, and I would have checked which one is satisfying rather than solving. But there's a problem. Problem is they are doing what? They are actually given, they are only asking the value of y. Meaning in the options also we don't have or we don't know the values for all the equations. So, sir, chalo, normally karte. So in these situations, always remember, try to get these. So there are three unknowns. Try to bring it down to two unknowns first. Sir, first things first. I can see z here. I can see z here. So I'm thinking, chalo sir, z ko hata dete. So I'll make sure to make it a xy equation only. So first, so I'm just writing it down. X minus y plus z. That is 9. 2x minus 3y minus z. That is equal to 9, sir. Perfect, everyone. Now, from there, sir, you will see, sir, if you do this, sir, z, if you add them, it is cancelling. So this will become 3x minus 4y, or rather, I'm just like writing it in a smaller value. So this is equal to 18. So one equation containing xy. Now this equation can be shortened, but again, please understand, rather than giving you the solution for only this question, let's understand how we think so that we can answer also like in the future if they ask you a question based on this question. Okay, now again. Now sir, again, I'll need another. So क्या करेंगे? Sir, you can take this equation with this equation or this equation along with this equation. Which I'll do. I'll take these two. Chalo sir. So I'm just writing the first equation, x minus 2y, I'm writing it like this, plus 2z. That is equal to 16. Second one, sir. Now again, I need 2z. Here we have only z. So I'll multiply this second equation by 2. So if I multiply by 2, 2x will become 4x. Chalo 4x. 3y will become, sir, minus 6y. So z will become 2z. 9 will become 18. And you will say, chalo, add karo. 2z cancels. 4 and 1, 5x. Minus 8y is equal to 34. This is the second equation, sir. So first equation, second equation. Now you see it's very simple to solve. Why? So you multiply this equation now by 2. So 4y will become 8y, so it will become 6x minus 8y is equal to 36. Just take this to here. So I'll write down 6x minus 8y is equal to 36. So now you subtract. So minus, 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 plus, it is minus. 8y cancels. 5x minus 6x is minus x. It is equal to minus 2. So from there, x is equal to 2. And once you know x equal to 2, y will be how much? So from here, I'll get y. Y will be 3x minus 18 by 4. 3 2s are 6 minus 18 by 4, which will be minus 3, I guess. Minus 12, yeah. So the answer to your question will be option number 4. Option number 4, sir. Yes, Raj, absolutely correct. Perfect. So again, you see, again, this equation, I'm not solving this for the for the shortest solution of this particular question. I'm just showing you, I'm just trying to teach you what will be the proper approach whenever you see multivariable equations. So it is always like there are 3 variables, try to bring it down to 2 variables, then try to bring it down to 1 variable. You see, that is what we followed. 3. So from there, I have brought it down to 2 variables. From 2 variables, again, I have eliminated y. I have brought it down to 1 variable. And that is my answer. So from there, again, I got to crawl my way back to y, z. Anything they ask, I can figure it out. Clear, everyone? I hope. Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. Sir, next question, please. Next question, please. Jaldi se banao, sir. I'm giving you a minute's time. I'm giving you a minute's time, sir. Alternative का question. Rani is starting. Rani is starting. Achha, I'm just stopping the timer. So Rani and Adya, because we are going very slow, because I'm trying to explain. So chalo. So it is 12 days. So Rani's efficiency is 1 by 12. Adya is 1 by 16. So efficiency ratio will be 16 by 12. 4 threes, 4 fours. So it will be 4 ratio 3, sir. Meaning Rani can do 4 units a day, Adya can do 3 units a day. That's done. So total work also let's figure out. So Rani, if I take, Rani is doing 4 units a day and she is completing it in 12 days. So that means total work is 48 units. Right? Now, the alternate thing is starting. So Rani is starting. So the thing is going like this. Rani, Adya. Rani, Adya. Rani, Adya. And so on. Now I told you always in these situations, take packets. Take packets, sir. Every packet is equal to 2 days. And every packet they're completing how much work? Rani on 1 day completing 4 and 3 by Adya. That means 7 units. Right? So, sir, if you take 6 such packets, that means how much work will be done? 6 into 7, 42 units. 42 units of work is done, sir. So that means out of 48, 42 done, 6 units remaining. Now, who will do this 6 units? Who will do this 6 units, sir? Sir, once a packet ends, next day who comes to work? Rani comes to work. Next day, Rani will come to work, and out of this 6, Rani will complete 4. Right? So that means remaining 2 units. Who will complete these 2 units? The next day, Adya will come and she will complete these 2 units in 2 by 3 days. Because she can complete 3 units in 1 day. So 2 units she will take 2 by 3 days. So total time 6 packets ka, every packet is 2 days. So 6 packets, 12 days. Plus 1 complete day for Rani's work and 2/3 of a day for Adya's work. That's the answer. So that will be 13 whole 2 by 3 days. है क्या option में? 13 whole 2 by 3. Option number 3, sir. Done. Done, sir. Yes, perfect. Clear, sir? Clear, clear, clear. Simple questions. Next one. अच्छा, probability का question sir. Let's solve this probability question. Minutes time, जल्दी से बना. Yes, best correct brother. Correct everyone. चलो 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 sir. Answers. Answers. Not calculative this one. This channel only I've kind of taught this question. Even I've shown you three like persons का भी. Three persons का भी I've shown you. Answers. I need answers. जल्दी से. Sir, देखो देखो sir. Sir, the probability of hitting the target by A and B is 3, 4 and 2 by 3. Okay. What is the probability that exactly one of them will hit? So meaning exactly one hitting mean, sir, probability key sir or other. Let's not write it. Sir, A will hit and then B will not hit. And sir, B if hits, A will not hit. Can I say this? If A hits, then B doesn't hit. If B hits, then A doesn't hit. Sir, kind of calculation. So A hit ka probability, sir, A will hit is 3 by 4. So A doesn't hit. A doesn't hit probability will be, sir, 1 by 4. Sir, B hits ka probability is 2 by 3. So B doesn't hit, the probability is 1 by 3. That's your answer, sir. 12 is LCM. 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 1, 5. Done, sir. 5 by 12, option number 3. This much was done. C Raj with yes, absolutely correct, you guys are. ये देखो एक लाइन का क्वेश्चन था सर. It was a single liner only. Perfect. Now, today the class was till this point only. Now, again, just a quick thing before you guys leave. Again, all these questions we'll do tomorrow. So this is the Diwali sale, and you guys can see this is the biggest sale of the year. You can see flat 60% off like on all the plans, including the super elite and stuff. Ends this is valid till 22nd of October. Okay, and this is you can check it out like furthermore in our website. And before you guys leave, another thing which I started with, sir, if anyone wants to, so this is the rank predictor app that we have launched. So just like if you want, you can just like click this like on this, you can copy this link. It is also given in the description, and just go into this, paste your answer key link, and you will be able to understand, or rather you will be able to see, just click on the analyze button. So you will see live rank percentile. This is all powered by AI. So you will be able to see expected cutoff analysis, and also you will be able to compare with friends, along with download the whole analysis as PDF. This is completely free. You can do that. You can use this. So again, the link is this: oliveboard.in SSC CGL score calculator. Okay, so this is something I wanted to do because yesterday only the scorecards has come out. So you just need to, all you need to do is just paste the link. So having said that, thank you so much everyone for joining this session. I will again see you guys same time tomorrow for the next session. So like we'll do the second part 2 of this particular paper. Okay, and this will continue in the next coming weeks as well till the CGL Tier 2. So thank you so much. I hope you have liked it. If you have, please do hit the like. And if you have any comments, any feedback, feel free to use the comment section for that. And I will see you guys in next like in tomorrow's session. Till then, take care and bye bye from my